If you saw my past, would you still be proud? If you knew my thoughts, would you speak of them out loud? When I don't understand, do you lose respect? If I told the truth, would you lose interest? Do you just wanna love me? Love me? 'Cause if you knew the real me, how much hate would there be? Chicken noodle soup, just let me stew. And when I get high off the things in life, do you think I'm dumb? And if I don't care, do you think I'm numb? If I talk to myself, am I a hypocrite? If I think it's cute, does that make me it? Do you just wanna love me? Love me? 'Cause if you knew the real me, how much hate would there be? Chicken noodle soup, just let me stew. Just let me stew. Behind the mask, hello, hi, oh that's it as you say, goodbye. Chicken, hide, put back that facade, I'm a hypocrite. Chicken noodle soup, let me sit and stew.